gosh, what happened here?
You won't believe it. Someone broke in and took his PlayStation. Did you come home after school or did you go right to Kat's house?
No, I went straight to Kat's house.
I'm gonna call the police. Maybe they'll fingerprint the door. Maybe catch who did this, I don't know.
Dad, no!
Why not?
It's just a PS5. I mean, I doubt the cops will have time for things like that.
Maybe she's right. I mean, they didn't do anything when my laptop was stolen out of my car last year.
Wait, I got an idea. If they use my PS5, I can track the IP address.
You can do that?
Of course. Got it.
That's not far from here. Come on, let's go. Here it is.
Wait, isn't this the same building where Kat lives?
Yeah, it is. Well, maybe her parents will help us out.
Hold on, is this a good idea? I mean, it's probably not safe. We should just go home.
And not get my PS5 back? Yeah, right. Come on, let's go.
It was me!
What?
I staged a break-in to take Marcus' PS5. I left it at Kat's house. I had no idea he could track it. I'm sorry.
What?
Clarice Marie Miller, why in the world would you do that?
I feel horrible. I just wanted to play this tournament. I was gonna put it back. I promise.
I can't believe you.
You go in there and get it. And once we get back home after you clean up the house, you're grounded. Just go. Now. Oh, hey, how's it going?
Great. We're down at 12 minutes. Oh yeah, make it 11.
Great, buddy.
Thank you. What? No. Oh, I can't believe this, man. Come on. CM Mayhem 245 killed me? What?
Look, it's okay. Don't be hard on yourself, all right?
Yes!
Hey, what's so exciting in there?
I won! I told you I could do it!
Yeah, right.
I can't believe I actually won!
Wait a second. You're CM Mayhem?
CM, Clarice Marie, that's very clever.
I can't believe this. But how did you play, though? It's not funny. If you never would have stuck up on him, you never would have killed me.
Never stops.
Can you play after you're done?
No way.
Come on. I bought you a ticket to Hawaii. Give me it. Let go. Get your own. Give me that.
And here we go again.
One.